What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to cut video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what you want to do is just go to this razor tool right here, click on it, and then on whatever scene you want to cut, let's just say I'm going to cut it at 3 seconds. Just click on here down the middle, so right there, right there. As soon as you click on it, you click on the top box, it's cut. So now go back over here, selection tool, and then you're able to move this piece either that way or this piece this way. So now it's split. If you want to delete the first part, right click and then go to clear, and then it'll delete it. And then you can move this to the front and then we'll start from there. Okay, or if you're trying to cut your an outro, or your video's too long for your outro, same thing. Just go, let's just say you want to cut it there. Go back to your razor tool, click on it, click on the top one right there, and then boom, slice. And then go back to selection tool. Make sure you go back to selection tool, otherwise the razor tool will stay on, and if you click on anywhere, it'll slice it. And then that's it. So now you can even move this, or you could do it right away. It's up to you. So if you want to right click on here and see how I select it right here, and then just clear that. And then there, that's it. It's over here. So same thing. So if you either you want to trim your intro or trim your outro, or trim in between, either or. That's it. Razor tool, click on wherever you want to trim. If you're just trying to cut one piece out, for example, like right here, and then you want to go to you want to cut that piece out right there. That's it. Selection tool, click on the middle. That way it selects the middle part, and then press clear, and then that's it. And then you can blend these together, and then that's it. And that's it, guys. How to cut video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Easy and simple. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.